Meaning of flowerpot.
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 Flowerpot. A flowerpot is a container used to cultivate and display plants, typically made of clay or ceramic materials. It has a flat bottom, straight sides, and an opening at the top for the plant to grow out of. Flower pots come in various sizes, shapes, and colors, and can be plain or decorative. They are commonly used both indoors and outdoors for growing flowers, herbs, and other plants. The use of flower pots dates back centuries and is still popular today as a way to bring nature into our homes and surroundings.